The Corpus Christi Fire Department maintains a free smoke detector program. Well, this is intended for homes built prior to 1993. And the reason for that is because the fire code has changed, and after 1993, the type of smoke detector was required to be connected to your electrical system. Our style of smoke detector is a battery operated only. So our fire code allows us to install prior to 1993. Right now, the program is designed especially for elderly ones. We have certain vulnerable areas of our city that we're looking at, the 15 zip code, the 088 zip code, or particularly vulnerable areas, older homes and older residents. A smoke detector is first of all placed in a bedroom, because you should be sleeping with your door closed now. It should be placed in the hallway. In a split bedroom design, you should have one in each hallway and in each end of the house. So a home, a 3-bedroom home, has the potential of getting 5 smoke detectors. Right, so we will install as many as are needed in that home. The smoke detector program is designed for homeowners or those who are buying their home. It's not meant for commercial property, let's say like apartment complexes, those who are renting. The program is free, and simply again call in our office. We give us details regarding the age of the home, but as well as the capability of the resident so that we can help them out.